You ever wonder why some lawyers feel like a warm blanket and others feel like a parking ticket with a law degree? That difference is not an accident, pun fully intended. The good ones build something called trauma-informed practice, which is a fancy way of saying they stop treating you like a file folder and start treating you like a human who just got hit by a truck, literally or figuratively. Here's the thing nobody tells you. After an accident, your brain is basically running on dial-up internet while everyone around you expects fiber-speed decisions. That is why client-centered lawyers slow everything down on purpose, explaining each step before they do it instead of springing surprises like a bad horror movie sequel. Let us talk about waiting rooms for a second because they matter more than you think. A firm that updates you constantly, even with small stuff like "we are still waiting on records," keeps your nervous system from spiraling into worst-case scenario theater. Consent is another huge piece of this puzzle. The best firms ask before they share your medical details, before they record a statement, even before they loop in a specialist, because permission feels like respect, and respect feels like safety. Now here is a twist most people do not expect. Trauma-informed lawyering is not about being soft, it is about being effective, because a calm client remembers details better and communicates clearer, which actually strengthens the case. Think about it like a video game tutorial level. If the lawyer explains the controls, your deadlines, your paperwork, your appointments, you stop panicking and start playing the game instead of getting steamrolled by it. Plain language is shockingly rare in legal offices, almost like lawyers get bonus points for sounding like a contract nobody reads. The firms doing this right ditch the jargon and explain things the way you would explain a recipe to a friend. Step by step, no mystery ingredients. Choice matters too. Even tiny choices like picking appointment times or deciding how updates get sent, texts, emails, or smoke signals if that is your thing. Giving people control over small details helps rebuild the sense of control that the accident stole in the first place. Here's a fun historical nugget for you. Modern trauma-informed care actually grew out of research in 1980s psychology and medicine long before law firms adopted it, which shows good ideas eventually trickle into every industry, even the slow-moving legal one. Some people assume lawyers only care about settlement numbers, like a video game score counter. The truth is, the firms that actually listen first tend to land better outcomes because understanding your daily struggles shapes a stronger legal argument. There's also this myth that asking lots of questions makes you a difficult client. In reality, a good legal team treats your questions like fuel, not friction, because informed clients participate better and stress less. Let us not ignore the emotional side either. Many firms now train staff to recognize signs of anxiety or freeze responses, the same way flight attendants train for turbulence, so nobody panics when things get bumpy. Predictability also plays a sneaky big role. When a firm gives you a simple roadmap, first this, then that, then maybe a deposition, your brain treats the unknown like a manageable hike instead of a horror maze. If you boil it all down, client-centered legal care is really about restoring a sense of safety so people can think clearly enough to make good decisions. It is not magic, it is structure, communication, and patience working together like a strange but effective trio. So if any of this got you curious about how the right legal team can support you through the chaos after an accident, do you want to learn more about our company? Check out our links in the description.